Responsible AI teams are often the first to go during big tech layoffs, and the reason you've probably never heard of RAI is because they are heavily censored. Our work deals directly with the raw and uncut nature of machine learning models, including bias, disinformation, and stereotyping. Now, censorship in tech is not new. There are universal limitations around what can be said about internal tools, but for RAI teams, censorship extends publishing research, particularly when said research makes the company's objectives seem contradictory to their stated values. Prime example, Timnit Gebru, a prominent research scientist and former co-lead of the ethical AI team at Google, was fired over a contentious paper criticizing the use of large language models. It's called On the Dangers of Stochastic Parrots, and this paper was ahead of its time. Timnit Gebru and her co-authors flagged environmental costs, governance, bias, centralization of power, all of which are at the heart of the issues with LLMs that are built by big tech today. Perhaps it's because the formation of RAI teams is almost always performative to begin with, typically a response to a public scandal, like facial recognition tools misidentifying Black and brown people in policing contexts. And in comes the newly formed RAI teams to clean up the PR, reevaluate data sets, build fairness metrics, audit the models, and then when the dust settles, RAI teams are walking on eggshells in anticipation of layoffs, when really responsible AI engineering should be an end-to-end process, from design to post-deployment. And this is why I'm so passionate about AI literacy and knowledge sharing, because the more we understand how our data is being used and what machine learning models are actually doing, the more pressure on companies to develop AI responsibly and on our governments to hold them accountable.